Security has been a problem in Somalia for a long time, and it will continue to be a problem.
According to the report by Transparency International, Somalia is the most corrupt country in the world. What is your view on this report?
Yes, I do not deny, because our parliament has said there is a corruption. Our parliament has said there is a
Talks between Somaliland and Somalia will resume soon. During your time, your government had been trying to convince Somaliland, but it was veiled. What were the steps you could not pass during the talks?
We left the office while the relationship between Somalia and Somaliland is much, much better and more advanced than it was. As of now, I'm a candidate for the next election.